Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Solve for x cubed equals 30 cubed plus 40 cubed plus 50 cubed. Now let's work through the solution step by step. Let's start by computing each cube. 30 cubed is 27,000, 40 cubed is 64,000, and 50 cubed is 125,000. Adding those together, 27,000 plus 64,000 plus 125,000 equals 216,000. So x cubed equals 216,000. Notice that 30, 40, and 50 are all multiples of 10, so we can factor out 10 cubed, which equals 1,000, leaving 3 cubed plus 4 cubed plus 5 cubed inside the parentheses. Now evaluate 3 cubed plus 4 cubed plus 5 cubed. That's 27 plus 64 plus 125, which equals 216. Here's a beautiful observation. 216 is exactly 6 cubed, so we have 10 cubed times 6 cubed, which equals 60 cubed. This means x cubed equals 60 cubed. Taking the cube root of both sides gives x equals 60. That's our answer. X equals 60. Let's verify. 30 cubed plus 40 cubed plus 50 cubed equals 216,000, and 60 cubed also equals 216,000. Confirmed. The elegant key insight is that 3 cubed plus 4 cubed plus 5 cubed equals 6 cubed exactly, and 3, 4, 5 form a well-known Pythagorean triple. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.